Hello, I'm Micks Mowers the Mower Man and welcome to my channel. In today's video is video number day 9 of the Wickes kitchen upgrade that we're having in the old Micks Mowers household. And today has been, I think, one of the best days that we've had for visual progress. Simon and Matt have had some really good days doing all the prep work, and as we all know, preparation is absolutely key and is absolutely everything. But today has been, without a doubt, the day that we've seen the most visual progress. So we'll get straight into it, shall we? Quick look around to see what you'd expect to see in a Wickes kitchen upgrade if your kitchen is the same sort of size and age as this. And we'll go from there. So if this is your first time in watching Micks Mowers the Mower Man, hit your subscribe button, whack the old bell, set notifications to all, that way you'll be told next time when I upload another video. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty. And let's check the progress on this Wickes kitchen upgrade that Simon and his boy Matt are doing for us. Right, so once again, another video, and Nana's writing away as usual. All right, Nana?
Yeah,
good.
Fine.
Yeah, you're fine, good girl. Right, so today, as I say, is the most progress we've made, I think, or the boys have made, that is more pleasing to the eye. Lots of work's been done in the background, but now things are really starting to progress, so it'll be really, really good. Tomorrow is going to be another fantastic day, I believe. So today, we fitted, or the boys have fitted. When I say we, I mean Simon and Matt. I don't mean me, okay? They fitted the microwave oven. So we've got a microwave oven in there now, and also a new double oven. Here's the Zanussis, yeah, Zanussis. So nice size there. That's what one that Nana wanted. So she made herself some cheese on toast and stuff. So a nice small oven there, and a bigger oven there, so that's no problem there. Some of them grill bits will go up into the top one, so that's all good, all energy efficient and what have you. And that's the microwave there. I shan't touch that, it's not ready yet. That's got a bit of blue boarding across there, I believe. Still got to have the boiler boxed in yet. That's got to be done. The new induction hob is now fitted, not been wired up yet, so that's a new induction hob, so that's lovely. All nice and square, as it should be. It just looks sharp as anything. I think that's absolutely lovely. That's going to be tiled about halfway up, something like that, and then painted at the top, and then that'll be tiled as well halfway up too. The sinks is now in. Sinks in and plumbed in. That all now works as it should do. Hot and cold water, and I think since Simon's put that new valve on, I think we do have a little bit more water pressure. It does seem to be a bit better. He has put a wider bore valve on there. So that's all now been plumbed in, which is good. The peninsula is now been completely bolted down where it needs to be, and all the worktop has now been fitted on the sides, and the joint work Simon's put in, you can see that. You can barely see the joint itself. I'm struggling to see it myself. There's a join. So a nice solid join, absolutely flush. Can't distinguish the two. You've got a nice joint in there, and then also another joint in there. It's not just a straight joint, it's got a slight little tiny curve to it, and then it goes straight, so it sits in there and it ain't going nowhere. So that's good. So the peninsula all fits in beautifully. That's been done. I don't think he's done a great deal over here. He's put the fridge in. I don't think he's done much over this way. I think Matt put the boarding on this side here. That's been done. So that looks nice. I'm not sure if that's going to have a bit up there. It probably will do. I don't really know. But that looks all good. And Matt was well chuffed with that. We've done that. Don't forget, Matt is Simon's boy, but he's also his apprentice. So he's learning as he goes. So that looks fantastic. Apart from that, we've got the second peninsula in. And that's all been cut at a slight angle as well. So that's been cut off. And the same as this peninsula here, that's been cut off as well. So when you walk past it, it just gives you a bit more room. You don't bash your hips into the side of it. This has got a base unit underneath here for under peninsula storage, which is quite nice. And this one originally, remember what I said, it was going to come to about here. So we're going to lose this much with the older one, of the original design, but because we have this bit left over, I said, well, let's have it longer. So we put it in longer, and we've got an extra space there. So you can probably get, I would say, 2, maybe 3 down there, and 1 on the end. So let's just say, yes, maybe 7 at a squeeze. And then 2 here, so it gives us 9. So that's pretty good. We're just getting ready for the lighting because we've got lighting to go in, which is up here. Here's some of the lighting, which is the skirting board, for another word. I don't know what you actually call it, plinth lighting. Little LED lights, which Simon's going to fit in. But we had a bit of a discussion today because we're having lights, one there, one there, one there, one there. Nothing where the washing machine's going, nothing where the tumble dryer's going, and one there. So I said, we had a chat because of the distance between the two, he'll have to go behind the tumble dryer or up and over, one or the other. So I said, why don't we save mucking about? We're coming off of here and go round behind the washing machine, around, and then we'll sink a light in behind here. So one in there, one about there, and one about there. So that wasn't in the plan originally, but by doing that, when we turn the lights on in the main socket, which is going to be here, when we turn the lights on for the underlighting, it will light the floors up as well, which will look quite nice. But also having the lighting around the side there, it'll also light a little bit that way. And this is like we've got some lights here, two here. I don't know if there's one there, might be one there, but it will sort of just light up the area of where you're walking. So all the lights coming across here will light this area up a little tiny bit and out towards the back door. Otherwise it might be quite dark over this side of the room. So he said he'd just do that extra, one in there, and one in there, which would look great. I don't think there's one on the end here. I don't think so, but Simon will tell me if there is or isn't, I don't know. So that's that done. Tomorrow is looking like, let me put it back on the perch. Tomorrow, Simon's had a really good day today. He's had a fantastic day, and he really is chuffed with the amount of work that him and Matt have done. They really are pleased with it, and me and Mrs. P are really pleased. So tomorrow, I think he wants to get I said to you the other day about having trim underneath it. It is planned in to be done. That is part of it. So trim on the bottom, trim on the tops. Doors got to go on. He might look at the boiler tomorrow. But he's conscious because we've got the tilers coming and he wants to get a lot of the bottom work done first. So I think he wants to get the table peninsula boards on and what have you, get the doors on that, so that's done. And then just the bits around the side here, just tied up, ready for the tilers, because they're going to be coming in on Monday. So they're coming in Monday. So Simon's got one more day left to go to get the bits and pieces he wants done tomorrow, and then Monday, Tuesday it's going to be. He did originally plan in for two teams, a two-man team of tilers to come in and do it in one day, but he said, do you know what, it might be better to do it, get the floor done, and then about 24 hours with some rapid grout goes off, and then day two on the Tuesday he can get the walls done, so that'd be good. So by Wednesday next week, and today's Thursday, day 9. By Wednesday next week, the flooring should be down, the tiles should be on, and we should be looking to get an electrician in here then to get the plugs up and running, the cooker and all that sort of stuff. So that'd be fantastic news. So yeah, we're edging ever closer to completion, and it is now just starting to get back. I mean, just having a working sink and a working tap is absolute luxury. It's amazing how much you miss these things when they're taken out. So I think we take this for granted. But yeah, I think you can agree. The progress has been fantastic today. It really has come in, and Simon's just been on it today. Him and Matt have just been on it, and just got loads done. The weather's been relatively good, so we've been outside, been able to cut all the timber they need to cut and what have you, and get a lot done. So, and we've been out the way. We've been doing get Mrs. P's eyes tested, and went down the town and did a bit of shopping today. So, yes, we can't wait to use a cooker and the ovens again, and start eating some proper food, because we've been eating microwave meals and a few takeaways, and it's really starting to take its toll on the acid reflux side of things. So, been asked to get back on my diet again. I don't think you can diet when you've got a kitchen bill, because it's just stuff everywhere. So that's that. So day 9, I shall come back tomorrow, day 10, and hopefully have a bit more progress for you. Although it probably won't look like much. I say that it probably will do, but it may not be much in the grand scheme. But Simon just wants to get get the floor preparation all ready for when Tyler comes in on Monday. Give us a weekend off and we'll go from there, so that'd be good. So if it's your first time watching Micks Mowers and Mower Man, hit the old subscribe button, whack the old bell, and ding, thank you Riley. And set notifications to all, that way you'll be told next time I upload another video. And we look forward to the next episode of Micks Mowers very, very soon. Being two men, guys and girls, much more importantly, take it easy.